So I found it a little funny because I told my friends that I planted a loofah plant, and no one seemed to know that loofahs grow on a vine. Yes, you can get sponges in the ocean, but loofahs actually grow on a vine. You can put them in your yard, and it will grow very fast if you're in a humid environment that gets a lot of moisture. But nevertheless, they grow on a vine. So I just planted these seeds from last year's loofahs 2 weeks ago, and look at how much it's already grown from a seed. So that's 3 seeds, but it's already almost to the top of this trellis, and it's pretty big. So soon enough, we'll have some little yellow flowers growing on it, and I will show you guys what a loofah actually looks like. But it thrives in warm, humid environments. Like I said, the more moisture, the better. And let me tell you, this summer in Austin, it is thriving.